faces, representatives from every sector are likely to be joining us. In fact, Sri is going to give us a little on the kind of people that we have and what's to look out for.
Get to the summit per se, I just want to add to the point that Adhiya was making.
Yeah.
You asked him about the new sectors. UAE as a nation has plans of investing about $100 billion in India, $100 billion. So this money is going to go into various sectors.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's going to go into infrastructure, it's going to go into port infrastructure, it's going to go into green energy, it's going into edtech, fintech. Many of our Indian startups are funded by the big funds, sovereign funds, and UAE. So what very clearly is visible from this partnership is that UAE is keen to support and capitalize on the growth of an economy of India's size, the large economy that's going fastest large economy right now. And India, in turn, obviously has been a very large source of capital, talent, and as AI becomes an important, a product in the mix of this whole economic growth, you will see UAE forging closer ties with India in terms of its own AI aspirations. UAE is one of the first countries to have an AI ministry. It has introduced AI in school curriculum. So in terms of the foresightedness, the progressiveness of this leadership, it's remarkable. What they have created, since their independence in 1971 is truly a nation which is the envy of a lot of other countries.
Correct.
The stability, the prosperity, the peace, the safety that they offer to, just about any nationality, any person, any immigrant who wants to come here and do something productive.
Yeah.
It's unmatched.
I hear that Indians are the most number of people who've been given golden visas.
That's right. We are the largest, immigrant population in the UAE.
Yeah.
So I think that's just an arithmetic thing.
And a prized one, for sure.
Absolutely.
They value the Indian effort, the Indian
So what started as
sincerity.
a stream with laborers and blue-collar workers helping build UAE,
Correct.
literally from the ground up, is now becoming an inflow of more white-collar professionals, now skilled people, and hence the golden visa, which is meant to draw, all the top-notch talented people. In fact, the policies are so great that you don't need to actually have an office. You could have an office anywhere else, as long as you're a certain professional who adds value to the economy. You're welcome to come set up your office here and do business and get a golden visa. So I think what UAE offers truly is a unique platform today as a springboard to global growth for a lot of Indian startups. So if you look at our summit, that's going to take place tomorrow, Nabila, there are many important themes we're covering. Yeah. One, we're looking at the CEPA partnership and what is the way forward. We're going to look at the startup corridor. We're going to look at the tariffs and how does India and UAE, how do they navigate the relationship in the uncertain environment around tariffs that have been created. And we're going to be looking at also the software element. We have a lot of Bollywood stars talking about the cultural linkages. And obviously, you have a lot of fans, Bollywood fans here. Yeah. So it is literally a 360 we're doing on the India-EU relationship in the context of what's happening around the world. So this is going to be a very important summit. And going by the registration that we've got for the summit, I think this is unprecedented.